Hi, welcome to a SolidEdge 2022 video tutorial. It's the same exercise which I did before in the other programs. Nice little exercise for 3D sketches. And it went pretty well. So let's take a look at the drawing. Okay, that's the drawing, and of course you can do a screenshot and then follow this exercise step by step. So let's have fun with SolidEdge. Okay, at first I want to create two planes, so let's go for a parallel one to the front plane in that direction, and that distance should be 470 millimeter. And then another one parallel to the top plane, and that distance should be 240 millimeter. Great. Okay, now my first 3D sketch. Let's go for a line which starts at the origin and goes in that direction. That's the X direction, and the length should be 80 millimeter. Then I want to go up and I want to lock the sketch plane. Then I can go for an angle, and the angle should be 85 degrees. And the length, it should go up to the reference plane, so just put it here. Okay, and now show those planes, and the end point here should be coincident to that plane here. Now let's add an angle. Yeah, this should be 85. And add a length for this line here, and this should be 80. That's okay. Now I can add a 3D fillet. It should be right here, yes. And I need a radius of 60 millimeter between this line and that line, and confirm. Okay, and now I can make an extrude. Close that 3D sketch, go for surfacing, go for an extruded, select that profile here, confirm, and it should go up to an element. From 2, seems that's not possible. It's one-sided, yes, but I can't select from to extend, so I want to go for 240 millimeter. No, 470 millimeter. Okay, finish, cancel this out. Now my next 3D sketch should be around here. Okay, so let's draw a line in a 3D sketch. Line should start here. No, that's not a 3D sketch. 3D sketch. Now it's a 3D sketch. It should start here and go straight up. And the length would be, in this case, of course, 60 millimeter. Okay. Let's add a dimension like that. Can I do this for construction only? Let's take a look. Nope, but I will leave it like that. Now I can go for a 3-point arc, and I will need another line. So let's go for another line which starts right here. Look at the sketch plane, and that would be, in this case, make them visible, this plane here, and it should go maybe here. Okay, now go for the arc, 3D arc, yes, So I want to go for the start point of the arc. That would be somewhere here. Then I need another one, maybe go snap on this one, and then the radius should be 60, of course. So this would put that center point onto that point. And that's the problem, because I can't constrain it. But anyway, we'll need an angle, and that angle here should be 60 degrees. Now let's take a look what we can do here. Can we still move this, or is it constrained? Maybe it's snapped here, probably. Now I will need a line, and of course this should be on this plane. Hopefully it is there. So let's go for a line and lock the sketch plane again, just in case. Start here, then go up, okay, and then add a coincidence between this point and that plane. Nice. And then I need an angle between this one and maybe that one here, and that angle should be, in this case, 30 degrees. Okay. Finish that 3D sketch. Next sketch is up here. So go for another 3D sketch. Of course I could do it in SolidEdge in one 3D sketch, but I want to split it. So I need this point here for a line. So go for a line, make this the sketch plane locked, and then I want to snap onto this point here, yes, and that didn't work, but doesn't matter. Let's snap here. Okay, this one should be aligned, yeah, in that direction, which is it not. You can't, now it's there. Give it a dimension. That dimension should be 50 millimeter. Then I need an arc which starts here. Not a tangent one, but a 3-point arc. Okay, so go here, go there, and that radius should be 50 millimeter. So let's take a look. This should be in the same plane. And then I will need a line which starts here and goes tangent to that arc. So go for a line. Of course you could lock the sketch plane. Snap onto this point and snap onto that arc. Not the center point. Yeah. So let's try to snap the tangency, maybe like this. Okay, so I snapped the tangency, and now I want to trim. Let's see if we can trim this. Where's the trim command? There it is. I want to trim this here and that here. Great. And maybe add here the radius, just in case. Okay, close that 3D sketch, and now I want to go for a bluesurf surface. Okay, bluesurf. First the cross sections. Go for single so I can select them one by one. Accept. Next one should be here up to this one. Accept. Make it tangent continuous to the surface, that's okay. Go for the guide curve step and select those two segments here, and we've got a nice little surface here. Finish, cancel this out. Now, two similar 3D sketches on the other side. Okay, I need another 3D sketch. I want to go for a line and I want to lock the sketch plane here. And this line should start at this vertex and then go straight up in that direction, and the length should be 60 millimeter. And I will need another line which starts right here and goes over there. Maybe like this. Okay. Let's add a dimension like that. Now go for an arc. There you go. Start here, and again I want to lock the sketch plane, this one. I want to start right here and then go up to this one here, and I need a radius of 50 millimeter. No, 60 millimeter. 60 millimeter. Okay. That angle should be 80 degrees. And I want to align that center point with this point here. Let's see if we can snap. Nope. Kind of hard to do. Did it snap? No. Okay, let's try once more. Go for that and maybe select first that point and then go for that center point, which should be this one here. Okay, nice. Now let's add a line. That line should be in the same locked sketch plane, that's okay. It should go straight up. To that plane here. Now the angle between this one and that one should be 10 degrees, and the end point should be coincident to that upper plane here. This one. Did it go there? Hope so. Yeah, looks okay. Now I want to stay in the same 3D sketch, and now I need another line, but the sketch plane, sort of the locked one, should be this here. So go for another line, lock the sketch plane, this one, snap onto that vertex here and draw it like that. The distance should be, in this case, 50 millimeter. Now I need again an arc, so go for that arc here, start here, then go maybe like this, and radius should be 15 millimeter. Now let's see if those 2 points are aligned. So this point and that point here, that would be this one, should be aligned. Yes. Now let's draw another line. Sketch plane is still the same, sort of. Should start here and then go to that circle, and it should be tangent. Okay, I snapped. Then trim. This should be removed and that should be removed. And of course, that's tangent. Yeah, that's okay. Close that 3D sketch. And now I can do another bluesurf surface. Maybe hide those planes. And go for surfacing bluesurf. Single one, yes. Select this edge, that edge, and this one. Accept, and then select this here and that one. Make a tangent continuous here. And accept, go for the guide curve, and the guide curve would be here, this one and that one. And accept, next, finish, cancel this out. And now I've got 3 surface bodies which I want to stitch. So go for stitch, select OK, select this one, that one, and the other one, and accept, and finish, cancel this out, and I'm done. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would really help. You could follow me also on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and GrabCAD, and even more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.